Going to see the load test on single phase transformer. So transformer is a device which steps up or step down the voltage. Here we are having a step up transformer. So which step up the voltage from 110 volt to 230 volt. So the aim of this experiment is to conduct the load test on a single phase transformer to find out the efficiency and the percentage regulation. So the apparatus required for this experiment is ammeter 0 to 10 amps and 0 to 5 amps 1, and voltmeter 0 to 150 volt and 0 to 300 volt 1, and wattmeter in the range of 300 volt 5 amps and 150 volt 5 amps. It is UPF meters both 1, and auto transformer and a resistive load and some connecting wires. So before starting the experiment, ensure that the auto transformer is in minimum position. So the AC supply is given and removed from the transformer under no load condition. So now let's start the experiment. So this is the auto transformer. Here we are having the circuit diagram. So as per the circuit diagram, the connections were given. So the first thing is the input 230 volt AC is being connected to an auto transformer. So from the to that auto transformer, an ammeter is connected and a voltmeter is connected across the input supply. Next we are having the wattmeter. So after that we are having the transformer. So this is the primary side of the transformer. So next we are having the secondary side. So in secondary side we are having an ammeter and an wattmeter as well as one voltmeter across the load. So this is the circuit diagram. Now we shall start the experiment. So as per the circuit diagram, the connections were given. So this is the auto transformer, and next we are having a voltmeter and wattmeter in the primary side, and this is the transformer. So it steps up the voltage from 110 volt to 230 volt, and this is the secondary side. In secondary side we are having an ammeter and voltmeter, and next we are having the load in the secondary side. Now we are going to start the experiment. So turn on the supply. So ensure the auto transformer is in minimum position. So now it is in minimum position. Gradually raise the voltage. You can observe the voltage rise in the voltmeter input side. Now it is 60 volt. Actually the input to the transformer is 110 volt. So raise the voltage. Vary the voltage till 110 volt. Yes, now we got the input. So the input to this transformer is 120 volt. So that is shown in this voltmeter. So in the secondary side we are having another voltmeter. So it is stepped up to 230 volt. So it is shown here. Now we are going to apply different loads and we have to take different readings. So first, switch on 250 watts load. Note down the readings of primary side voltmeter, wattmeter and ammeter. Similarly, note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter of the secondary side. So first we have applied 250 volt load for this. Apply different loads until the rated current and note down different readings. So this is a tabulation. So for different loads, note down voltage, current and wattmeter reading. Similarly for primary and secondary side. So and finally calculate the efficiency by means of using the formula. Plot a graph against the output power versus efficiency and regulation. So the formula to calculate the efficiency, it is output power divided by input power into 100. Similarly, the formula to calculate the regulation is no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by no load voltage into 100. So with this formula, complete the tabulation. So before turn off the switch, bring the auto transformer to minimum position. So in this way, the load test on single phase transformer will be performed. Thank you.